Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix YouTube not working on your smart TV. Alright, let's begin. If your YouTube app is crashing, showing errors, or not opening at all, there are 3 solutions you can try. First, perform a hard reset. Turn off your TV, unplug it from the wall for about 10 seconds, then plug it back in and turn it on. Once it loads, make sure your TV is connected to Wi-Fi and try opening YouTube again. If that does not work, clear the YouTube app cache. Go to the YouTube app, press the Options button, and then select the Offload App feature. This will reset the app, but you won't need to sign in again. Finally, check your TV's date and time. Enable automatic date and time or set it correctly. After this, toggle your Wi-Fi off and on again. Simply, you can change the Wi-Fi network connected to your TV and open YouTube. So that's basically how you can fix YouTube not working on your smart TV. That's it for this video. Thanks.